In this video, I will be showing you how I enter a new line in ChatGPT without accidentally sending my message before I'm finished. This is an incredibly useful trick for when I want to organize my thoughts into paragraphs or provide a structured list of instructions for the AI to follow. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, ready to draft a more complex prompt. To begin, I'll click into the main text input box at the bottom of the screen and start typing out my first line of text. Usually, hitting the Enter key would send the message immediately, but if I want to move to the next line to keep my formatting clean, I'll simply hold down the Shift key on my keyboard and then press Enter. As you can see, this creates a perfect line break right inside the text field instead of submitting the prompt. Now that I've created that extra space, I can continue typing more detailed information, add bullet points, or even paste in additional data while keeping everything contained in one single, easy-to-read message. This Shift plus Enter shortcut is a lifesaver when I'm working on long-form content or technical queries where the structure of the prompt is just as important as the words themselves. It allows me to review my entire request and make any necessary edits before I'm finally ready to hit the send button. Once I have everything exactly the way I want it, I'll release the Shift key and press Enter normally to start the conversation. If you found this quick productivity tip helpful for your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials just like this one.